I'll go over the spots again. Here it is. Break 35. 2 boxes of Topps Chrome Disney. Base Donald Duck 90th anniversary, 20th anniversary are going to Chico Loca. Hidden Gems, J-Step. Refractors going to Chris DR. Purple refractors to 199 going to Bob. Purple and green pulsers to 150, J-Step as well. 101 Dalmatian print, Parisi. Q with the close, the last 2 spots. Green refractors to 99 and blue lava to 75. Gold refractors and autos to Truman. Peach Cadil with the 30th anniversary refractors. That's the Lion King right here. To 30. Red and black refractors Truman. Orange refractors and autos to Prissy. Sparkles to 20 Truman. Prissy with the black waves and autos to 10. Red refractors and autos to Zibes. And supers. 101s to J-Step. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for rocking with us. And we're at 30K. I'll do the giveaway. You know what? Here, let's do the giveaway right now. Let's do the giveaway right now while you guys are waiting and watching. Here we go. Make sure you guys tap into the Gibby. And I'll update that to 40K. Next goal, guys, 40K, and we're about to run a break right now. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Box 2 first. Pick your color. Disney 24. Such a fun rip right here, guys. Sorry if I mispronounce some names. I only know old school Disney. And Cars and Nemo, because that's what my son loves the most. Here we go. Empty box. First. Yeah, I remember Dan. Capiche. I remember you, brother. You got hold on, actually I need the paper. Yeah, you got the Lion King 30th anniversary. Let's go. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Dude. Fresh case. Anything's live. Everything's live. Remember that. I got Pulsar to 150. Thomas O'Malley, Jack, Lieutenant Matthias, Happy. From the back refractor, I got Pinocchio on the refractor. And then on the Pulsar, this is going to J-Step. 63 out of 150 for J-Step. We got Todd, Fox and the Hound Todd. 63 out of 150. First numbered hit right there in the break. Yeah, that's a J-Step. All right, next one we got the Lion King refract Tinkerbell, Cheshire Cat, Maui, Hercules, Hank. My son loves Hank. And then on the back, Scar. Lion King insert Scar on the refractor. First box right here, guys. There's a 2-box break. Good luck to everyone that's in here. We hit 1 numbered hit already. If you guys want me to sweat the numbered hits, let me know. Here we go. Another, ooh, black scope to 10. Black scope to 10 for Prissy. We sweating that for sure. For sure sweating that. Prissy. Oh, she's in here. Priscilla. Always join all our breaks. We're going to sweat that numbered hit right there. We got future stars in this pack. Eeyore. Thumper. Hector. Merida, Eve, and Future Stars Jack refractor. I've yet to see a Future Stars numbered in this. Yeah, you can take the base ones. Thank you, John. Oh man, look at that gold. We got a gold. Gold inbound to 50. We're gonna sweat that too. That's our third hit. It looks like an insert too. It looks like an insert. Let's see which insert it is though when we get to there. Mr. Potato Head, Heimlich, Julieta Madrigal, Judy Hopps, Alfredo Linguini, and then we got Olaf on the refractor. You can see a lot of Olaf now because of Christmas. Here we go. We got 2 sweats, guys. Looking for one more numbered from this box, and there it is. 101 Dalmatians. 101 Dalmatians on the back. Let's sweat that too. Might as well. Might as well. Let's see if we get one more hit. If we get one more hit, that black might be an auto. If we get one more color, it could be an auto possibly. Here we go. Cruella DeVille. Void. Maribel Madrigal. Judy Hopps. Nima. And Pixar Inside Out. Discuss. Refractor. It's the first box, guys, out of the 2-box break. Here we go. Looks like insert here. Zerg, Quasimodo, Oaken, Sheriff of Nottingham, Luigi, and Sadness on the back, refractor Inside Out. This is break 35 if you guys are just joining us. 2-box hobby break of Disney 24. That should be our, man, is that another hit? It is another hit. It is another hit. Yo, 5 hits this box? We might have an auto. I think that gold might be an auto because of how it had that tag on the front. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Let's go, chat. Wake up. T-Rex, Ariel, Anna, Colt, Bronco, Shere Khan, and Queen Sarabi, refractor. Who got the gold? Let me see the gold. Truman got the golds. Refractor on this one. We got a lady on the front. Dash. Embarrassment. Boo. So cute, Boo. Marlin and refractor Judy Hopps. All right, here we go. Let's just run it. We'll do the purple first. 101. Princess Jasmine. John Smith. Grumpy. That's me right there. Cal Weathers. Refractor in the back. We got Mulan. Okay, Mulan. Refractor on the back. Disney. We got Bellwether. 163 out of 199. Purple's going to Bob. Bob, if you're in here. That's your hit right there. All right, let's do 101. Still got another box too, yo. Basil. Gil Cumulus. Flynn Rider. Mac. Man, I got so many Mac toys at the house. Got Goofy on the back. Goofy movie, my favorite Disney movie. Here we go, 101. Disney. It's going to be 53 or 63 out of 101. We got Yes. Yes. Out of 101 from Ralph Breaks the Internet. Dalmatians going to Prissy. All right, let's do the, man, should we do the, let's do the gold. Let's do the gold first. I think that's going to, it might be an auto too. Ursula. Isabella. Mei Lee. Skinner. Refractor on the back. We got Bashful. And here we go. Here we go. We got, wow, look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
Bang, baby! Woo! Mulan. 47 out of 50 on the auto.
Let's go.
Nice hit, bro. ABG is batted right here. For Truman. Mulan. Let me sleeve this and put this up. Thank you, John. Man, auto out of the break. What a sick hit. Mulan, too. And then we still got a black scope, guys. We still got a black scope to 10. Truman. Man. So sick. Not sure if he's in here, but dope hit. Let me get that right here. To bless the floor. Q with the pick. And here we go, guys. Black wave, black scope. Or yeah, black wave to 10 right here. Inbound. Good luck to Prissy as well. Aladdin, Alberto, Rapunzel, Mowgli, Refractor on the back, Moana. And here we go. Pixar, 7 out of 10. We got Bullseye from Toy Story, 7 out of 10 on the black wave. Sick hit. Bullseye. Let's get this on the wall too. All right, that's our first. That was only the first box. Here we go. Second box inbound. Mulan, gold auto, and then Bullseye to 10. Let's go, baby. Let me get that up and I'll rip this box. Thank you, John. This is going to Prissy. Man, shout out to Prissy. She's probably sleeping. But Priscilla, congrats on this hit. Second box inbound.
Do you want me to put these ones in there now?
Yeah, just leave those color ones. Here we go. Nice box so far. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. And then we got some orders inbound after this. There we go, Rivero. Yeah, I just got that in as well. Second box for the break, guys. Here we go. See what else we could sneak out of here, man. Mulan auto gold, and then 7 out of 10 black wave Bullseye. Sick. Good luck. Here we go. First pack. I'll sweat the hits too this time, just to make it fun. Just to make it fun for us. Cruella, Anna, Grumpy. That's me again. Shere Khan. We got a there you go. 20th anniversary Incredibles. Mini Droid, Omni Droid. My bad. Omni Droid, and then on the back Ariel. Next pack. So that 20th is going to Chica Loca. Crazy girl. You got Todd, Pinocchio, Envy, Snow White, Shank, and Refractor, Lion King Simba. 30th anniversary Simba. Here we go. Next pack. Still looking for all our hits. We got Rex on the front. And Blue Lava. Blue Lava, Q. Q with the close. Blue Lava right there. One of your cards, my man. To 75. First hit. Who do you want, Q? Manifest. You got Lady. Violet. Isabella. Flynn Rider. Mickey. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Manifest Mickey. Mac. And then Nala. 30th anniversary Refractor. Let's go, Q. Let's get that Mickey then. Mouse in the house. Mouse in the house. Me and Q used to hoop with each other all the time. We were just talking about that. Mouse in the house, bro. Future stars in the back. Zerg. Bell. Alberto. Sheriff of Nottingham. Luigi. And future stars, Luca. Luca the Don. Future stars. Refractor. Mouse in the house. Come on, baby. You got Jasmine on the front. Another baddie. Pocahontas. Embarrassment. Colt Bronco. This reminds me of Dax for some reason. Marlin and Pixar. Embarrassment. Insert refractor on the back. Next one. Thank you, Angel, for the roses. Appreciate you. Goofy on the front. Goofy movie. Goated movie right there. Mad Hatter. Oaken. Mei Lee. Red Panda. Skinner and refractor on the back to Genie. Only one numbered so far, guys. So this stack's going to be loaded. This stack right here is going to be loaded. Tigger on the front. Mrs. Potts. Wade Ripple. And every other card. King Fergus. Nemo. And Edna Mode on the back. From the Incredibles. All right, we got, 4 packs with 3 hits. All numbered should be here. Or 3 out of the 4 should be numbered. There you go. Green. Green refractor. Q. What's up, Q? Man, I was telling everybody. Q knows, that's why. Q's ripped a lot of this as well. Purple, lavas, and the greens hit a lot. Welcome in, everybody. Finishing up our Disney 2-box break. Mouse in the house in the front, Pulsar to 150. Inbound, that's for J Step. Just want to make sure. Yeah, J Step. Out of 150, 150 the Pulsar. Here we go. Gabby on the front. And then insert on the back. Alice. Felix Madrigal. Sully. Raya. And Bing Bong on the insert inside out. This should be our last numbered hit right here, guys. I'll run through it unless it's like a 101 or something. Save for the end. When it's high numbered, we run through it. And we got purple. Perp to 199 for Bob. Here we go. Gilbert. Yolanda. Robin Hood. Lilo. Refractor on the back. We got Anxiety. 159 out of 199 purple refractor. We got Stitch. Sick Stitch. 159 out of 199. What's up, Kaijo? That's our first numbered hit right there. And then we're going to go purple. Is this one purple? Pulsar. Perp, right here. Oh, no, that's green. 150 first then. 150 first. Mickey. Let's leave the Mickey. Beast. Yeah, a little Stitch color match. Tiana. Bruce. Refractor. We got Lieutenant Matthias on the refractor. And then we got 145 out of 150. Pixar. Look at that. Hank. My man Hank. 145 out of 150. My son loves Hank. He has a octopus stuffed animal. And his name is Hank. Frozone. Mirabelle. Yager Claude. Cal Weathers. Al McWiggin. And on the green, one. First of the print out of 99. Green refractor for Q. Pixar. We got Ham. Ham, green refractor, 1 out of 99. Sick Ham right there. All right, here we go. Blue Lava to 75. T-Rex, Sebastian. Kick his ass, Seabass. Gail Cumulus, Boo. Refractor, we got Duchess. And Pixar, 14 out of 75. Last numbered hit, we got Screen Slaver. Blue Wave Q, 14 out of 175 for Q. Screen Slaver. And that was a break, guys. 2-box break. Mulan, Gold Auto, Bullseye, Blue Wave, 7 out of 10. And then I'll show you guys the other colors here.
There's that one.
Oh yeah, thank you, John.
These are
All right, we go. Ham, green refractor to 99. Hank, 145 out of 150. Stitch, this was tight. 159 out of 199 purple refractor. Stitch, Omnidroid, 53 out of 150. Green, purple, Pulsar, Todd. Yes, 101 Dalmatian, 53 out of 101. 153 out of 199 Bellwether, and Blue Wave, 14 out of 75. Blue Lava. Just put them all together.